This is booking.com office. This is sitting arrangements. So you will get a good Samsung desktop, and the sitting arrangement is good, and you have the adjustable tables here, and this is the meeting rooms. So there are a lot of meeting rooms, and this space is more, and this is hybrid mode of working. So I think people will come on, they will come 2 days in a week. So currently, so I will show you one of the meeting rooms. Yeah, this is, you can see, this is the meeting room. And this office is in eco space in RMZ building, and these are the lockers. You will get lockers also. The office is nice, and you can say having modern look. You will get free food, and in like breakfast, lunch and dinner also, and they provide also the cabs also. So this is the you can say the cafeteria area. So like coffee machines, and you will get Boost, Horlicks, and lot of teas are there. And this is the printing machine. This is another gaming zone on the another floor. They also provide some of the benefits, because it's a travel based company, so they provide some benefits with respect to the, like they give some amount. You can visit one of the any country, so started from India. So I think most of the people, they go to different places, so they provide some budget, so you can claim it. So it's like that. So here, this is the another cafeteria area for the food. Basically, you can see. This is the cafeteria area, and where the lunch and dinner and breakfast is served. So basically, you can see. In food, you will get the veg and non-veg options both, and lots of variety and options are there. So you can say, and this is the gaming zone. So basically, they have two floors, and in each floor there are different games. So. And they provides the the MacBook laptops, and the monitor you can take away to your home, and you can do the setup, remote setup also, and the AirPods and keyboard, mouse, all the things they will give.